Good morning and thank you for joining us on the weather forecast. As a zone of active weather systems maintain a steady position over the northern parts of the country, the coastal areas and inland cities continue to experience occasional rainfall during this period. Let's now see what today's weather holds for us. During the morning, we expect most parts of the country to be cloudy with chances of localized rains over the inland cities of the south down to the coastal areas. The northeastern corner of the country also is likely to experience some localized thunderstorms that are expected from a system that is approaching the country from neighboring Cameroon. And in the afternoon, higher chances are there for localized thunderstorms over the extreme northern parts of the country, the central parts, as we also expect rains over the southeastern corner. Other parts will remain cloudy, and for our maximum temperature forecast, let's stand by. That's the forecast for today. Have a great week.